Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we are cleaning, decorating, and doing a little fall home tour as we decorate for fall. I like to decorate for fall first, even though it comes after Halloween, because as soon as Halloween is over, I decorate for Christmas. So for the month of August and September, it will be fall decor. October is all about that Halloween decor. And then in November and December are all about Christmas. So I am so excited for all the videos to come. Today we're going to go ahead and knock out the fall decor. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And also we have this awesome merch in my store. It's the Pumpkin Princess. You may have seen it before. But if you want to support the channel and you want some cool merch to go with your fall decorating, then definitely check out that link down below in the description box. But let's go ahead and get decorating. So the first thing I like to do is just get everything straightened up. That way when I go in to decorate, there's nothing in my way and I can just go ahead and get going. I'm going to have some really fun music on today's video. So hopefully you enjoy it. And if you're already in the mood to decorate, get up and decorate with me.
Soul a peace of mind, but you just wanna drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down. But I can't hold you any longer. I can cope 'cause you're a storm. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over. Beer and grab the glass and let it go down. We're going down. Now I can't hold you in
into this home tour now. I want to show y'all first this little arrangement that I did. This is probably the coolest one I've ever done. At first I was like, trust the process, because it was not looking great. So I just kept putting stuff in it, filling it in, and I even put these little pumpkin clips in there that I got from Dollar Tree last year. I don't know if they're still there, but you can definitely go see. Maybe like just keep going to Dollar Tree until you see them. But I got them in the craft section where like the Cricut supplies are, you know what I mean, it's not Cricut but that stuff. And I just put all these different picks in here. A lot of this foliage stuff is from Dollar Tree as well. I get a lot of my stuff there, and you can really make something beautiful out of things that you get for $1.25. So don't knock the Dollar Tree until you try it. But I think this looks so pretty, and this vase that it's in is also from Dollar General. So I like to shop at, you know, places where you can find things for $1, $2, $3, $5, $8, $10. You get what I'm saying. Love that. Love that. It's like super affordable and you can build on it. Okay, so I left this little snail dit here because I think the mushrooms are definitely fall. I love how this one, you could just use it for any time of year. So I normally pull that out during summertime, and then I'll just leave it up for fall. I'll take it down for Halloween, and we're gonna like spookify the place. But over here, one of my friends, she's also a YouTuber, the Bumblebee Farmhouse, her name's Angie. She sent me this after we did a collab, which I thought was the nicest thing in the world. So I have that right there. I think it's very fall. I mean, it's again for any season, but I love the idea for that for fall. And then this right here, more just stuff from Dollar Tree. This was actually a drink that Aaron bought one year, and I just loved the colors of it, and I thought it would be great to put some just little orange stuff, foliage in there, and just looks so pretty. So over here we've got a little plant. All this stuff is always here. I added this little pumpkin. I'm going for a very natural, neutral colors and materials this year. I just think it looks really pretty that way. And so I've got that. That was from the Dollar Tree. These were also from the Dollar Tree. This little thing lights up, and then you can put it, pop it in there. So cute. Let me turn this off so you can see better. But I think that's so cute. So lots of little DIYs going on. And then you turn this way, and there is the little centerpiece. The air conditioner is so loud, that's why I showed y'all over there, but I've got it right here, and I've got it on this little, whatever you call that, that I got from Poshmark one year. So off video, I filmed a reel for Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here for y'all, but I make a lot of little DIYs, cleaning, all sorts of things over there. And I just clipped these little pumpkins from Dollar Tree onto this that I got from Dollar General. And then over here, I just put the little pine cones in there, and then put this little pick on the top because I thought it looked better, more balanced that way. And then I've got this little orange Thankful and Blessed, which was also from Dollar Tree, on top of my little orange and black vacuum. I think it makes it look cute. And then we're gonna look in the living room. I didn't do too much. I really didn't do too much anywhere. This is pretty much all I'm gonna do for fall, except for I am gonna do a little bit outside, but we'll do that in another video. This is from Dollar Tree too. I think it was like one of those $5 items where it comes with other little things. So I've got her sitting on a pumpkin. There's a little pumpkin house, and then I've got this little Hello Fall, which was from the Dollar Tree. These little picks were from Hobby Lobby. I do like getting the picks from Hobby Lobby. They are better quality than the ones at Dollar Tree, and when you get them 50 or 60% off, they're around like $2, so not a bad deal. And then this pumpkin was, I think, from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99. It may have been from somewhere else. I think the H is definitely Hobby Lobby, and this maybe Dollar General or Hobby Lobby, but I think these are so cute. And then in the living room, I didn't do too much because we're in here a lot and I don't want things to get super busy and then I want to take it down. So over here, we've got the other little candle in this Dollar Tree, Dollar General. This was TJ Maxx, but this is out all year round. I just got that. I think it's so pretty. And then this little guy, I think I got him at Dollar Tree as well, but it was one of those like $5 items. I think he was $3. Dollar Tree. I've got another one down here from Dollar Tree, and then this big pumpkin was also from Dollar Tree, and it was $3. And then this little blanket I have sitting on this stool that didn't really match, so it's just more fall colors. And then I have this little blanket right here. I got that off of Amazon, so I'll see if I can link it down below. And then this little pillow was from Walmart. It was $5 a couple of years ago, maybe even 3 years ago. I just tucked it behind there, so it's a little more pop of orange. And then the only other thing I did was I put her right here, and I got her also at Dollar Tree, I think, or Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. No, it was Dollar Tree. So I remember Hobby Lobby had the huge ones, but this one was $5. I just took the tag off of it. I bought it last year. I didn't take the tag off then. Anyways, that is everything that I did. So it's still really clean in here and minimal, but you can tell that it's decorated for the season. So leave all your comments down below. Let me know how you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all back here in the next one. Bye.
I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, 'cause I need to